Hey y'all, and welcome to my channel, Oaks and Company. I'm so glad you're here today. So on today, you can tell that we are going to be doing quite a bit of laundry. Today is a laundry motivation video. I've never done one of these before. Quite honestly, I don't have a ton of laundry, but on this week I did. I had gotten behind because I had to be out of the house quite a bit. So I just thought I would film it and just try something new and see if y'all like it. Now this video is only about 9 minutes long. It's a lot shorter than most videos that I put up. So try to stay all the way to the end to help a girl out. Also, if you're new, please make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate it. So laundry is just really not my favorite chore at all. Like, I don't mind to do the laundry. I don't want to put up the laundry. And I don't mind to fold towels, but I absolutely hate to hang up clothes. It's tedious and I don't like it. But, you know, we all have to do it. So I hope that this gives you some much needed motivation to get some laundry started and start getting it hung up and folded and put away and check something off your to-do list. Let me know in the comments below, like, do y'all like folding laundry or hanging it, or do you mind it? Or do you absolutely hate to wash the laundry and dry it? Which is the part that you like the most? Let me know. really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. I'm sorry about the tight spaces to record in. It's really hard to get different angles in such a tight space, but I really do hope that you enjoyed it and that you'll come back next time for another video. Make sure that you hit the like and the subscribe button, and share my video with all your friends, and thank y'all so much for your support. See y'all next time. Bye.